Hello, in this video, we will present a case study. We're going to write a program that counts the occurrences of words from a text file. For example, if the text file has this good morning, good afternoon. So good appears 2 times, morning appears 1 time, afternoon appears 1 time. So that's how we're going to count how many times each word occurs. We're going to use dictionary to store the counts. So for every new word encountered, and we have the count is 1, put it in the dictionary. And if we see the word again, and then we just increase the value for the count. So let's write this program. We're going to prompt the user to enter the file name. And now we're going to open the file. And using the dictionary, it's called word counts. So every line from this file, we're going to process the line. So we're going to convert everything in the line into lowercase. And this is the word counts. So now we close the input file. And let's do this how you process a line. So to process a line, so this is a string here. We're going to have this replace punctuation in the line. So everything, the punctuation, if this character is a punctuation, we're going to replace it with a space. Return the line. So now we're going to split the words in the line using line.split. And here's the words for every word in the list of words. If this word is in the counts, word counts is dictionary, it's already counted once at least. So we are going to increase the count. So what we're going to do is this word counts brackets word. So we need to get the value. So this is the value here. We're going to increase the value. Add 1 into this word counts word. Else, we're going to create a new item in the dictionary. So this is the one here. This is going to be 1. So after this is done, we're going to come back here to get all the items from the word counts into this list of pairs. So you have this is the word and count in pairs, and we're going to swap it. So count is going to be first in the in this pairs. So the pairs has all the pairs. Each pair has 2 parts. So this is the word and count. But now here using the list comprehension, so we get these items. So this is the reason we're doing this is because now we're going to do a reverse. So we now do the reverse. It's on this first one. It's a count. So it's order everything by the counts now. Sort it. And now we're going to print this count word in this item. So we're going to only print the first 10 items. So print word count. So now you see here, when you print it, it's going to be by count, increasing order of the count. So the word that appears 13 times, that appears 11 times. And we're going to prompt the user here first, enter the file name. So this is the file name. Lincoln.txt. So that is the file name we have getting from the user input. And this is all the code. So that is all for this case study, counting the occurrence of words from a text file. See you on the next video.